In this video, I will show you the key differences between Superwisper and Wispr Flow to help you choose the best AI dictation tool for your needs. I'm starting here on a detailed comparison guide that breaks down how these two applications approach voice to text on the Mac. First, I'll dive into Superwisper, which is an AI-powered tool designed for users who prioritize privacy and offline functionality. I love that it processes everything locally on my computer, meaning my voice data never leaves my device. It's incredibly fast and allows me to write up to 3 times quicker than typing, though it does offer advanced configuration options that might feel a bit complex at first. Now, I'll switch my focus to Wispr Flow, which takes a cloud-based approach to provide a more seamless experience across different apps like Slack, Gmail, and ChatGPT. It's much simpler to set up and features a unique whisper mode that lets me dictate quietly in public spaces without disturbing others. While it does require an internet connection, it offers impressive multi-language support and context-aware formatting. When I compare the two side by side, the main trade-off is between the total privacy of Superwisper and the effortless, high-speed flow of Wispr Flow. If I'm looking for a middle ground, Willow is highlighted as a great alternative that provides a privacy-first cloud architecture with enterprise-grade accuracy. Looking at this feature comparison table, I can see the clear differences in pricing, platform support, and setup requirements. Superwisper is a fantastic choice if I want deep customization and offline security, whereas Wispr Flow is perfect if I want a plug-and-play solution that works everywhere. Both of these tools are excellent for saving time and reducing the strain of manual typing in my daily workflow. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.